In the heart of China's Gobi Desert, something extraordinary just happened. Inside a secret facility, Chinese scientists pulled off a nuclear breakthrough, using research the US abandoned over 50 years ago. It's called a molten salt thorium reactor, and this month, for the first time in history, they managed to refuel it without shutting it down. That's never been done before. This reactor quietly produces 2 megawatts of electricity, enough to power 2,000 homes. But the real power isn't just in the numbers. It's in the technology. When the story, back in the 1960s, US scientists experimented with thorium reactors at Oak Ridge National Laboratory. But the project was shelved. Not because it didn't work, but because it was inconvenient. Thorium wasn't weaponizable, uranium was. The Cold War had other priorities. China didn't forget. They studied the old declassified files, built on them, and kept building. For decades. And now it's working. Unlike traditional uranium reactors, thorium is more abundant, cleaner, and can't melt down. In fact, if there's an accident, the molten salt fuel freezes solid, safely shutting the process down. No Chernobyl, no Fukushima. It even burns old nuclear waste as fuel. That's right, trash becomes power. The system runs at over 600 °C, using a liquid salt mix to fuel the reaction. The US dropped the idea because of corrosion and technical headaches. China, they stuck with it. As lead scientist Xu Hongji puts it, success came not from genius, but from consistency. China is betting big on thorium, not just for innovation's sake, but to meet its carbon-neutral pledge by 2060. And with some of the world's largest thorium reserves, they may have fuel to power the future for thousands of years. Now the world is watching. A forgotten American idea might just find its future in the East. And this time it could change how the world thinks about nuclear energy. Forever.